Good evening and welcome back to the Weather Centre. Showery conditions from earlier today cleared completely over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. It was a clear, windy and hot afternoon over the western and central parts, and strong winds in the western Free State kicked up quite a bit of dust this afternoon. To the south of the country, a cold front is approaching. This is going to push in a lot of moisture over the southern parts of the Western Cape tonight, and we have rain in the forecast for the province this evening. Rain is expected to reach Port Elizabeth as well, but there is a 60% chance of rain over the southern parts of KZN and the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape, while isolated thunderstorms remain likely mainly over Gauteng and the southern Highveld. As the thunderstorms fizzle out this evening, we're expecting dry weather tomorrow over Gauteng, the Free State and Northwest. It will be cloudy initially over the southern parts of the country, but cloudy and drizzly in KwaZulu-Natal, and drizzly conditions will spread along the eastern escarpment during the course of the day. Breezy weather returns to the west coast tomorrow afternoon, and it's very windy tonight along the southeast coast, with gale force winds only starting to moderate after midnight between Cape St. Francis and Port Alfred. Here's a closer look at the wind forecast for the next 24 hours. The cold front is associated with very strong winds to the south of the country. It was very windy over the western and central interior this afternoon, with shades of yellow and orange visible in the eastern Free State and the interior of KZN as well. As the front moves eastwards, we're expecting winds to moderate in the west, but strong winds will reach the KZN coastline during the course of tomorrow morning. Winds push into the low veld as well, and it will be very breezy by tomorrow afternoon over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, light winds over the interior and fresh southeasterlies along the west coast. Morning temperatures remain high along the KZN coastline, with a low of 19 degrees in Durban and 21 in Richards Bay, 15 for Bombela, 17 degrees in Polokwane, but a cooler start to Thursday morning over the southern interior with a low of 7 in Sutherland. Daytime temperatures will be high over the northern parts, 32 degrees in Polokwane, 33 in Pretoria, 32 in Uppington, and mid-20s for Cape Town at 25. On Friday, we're not expecting any rain over Gauteng, Northwest or the Free State either. A bit of rain still likely in KZN as well as along the eastern escarpment. It becomes warmer over the western parts of South Africa, and by Saturday, thunderstorms return to the western interior, and then we can expect a partly cloudy but hot afternoon in KZN. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your evening.